Now today we are going to start chapter number 8, that is more on email. In class 6, now we will start more on email. My dear student, first we should know that what is the concept of email, why this alphabet E representing here. Okay, so now we continue our chapter. This @ symbol, it is also important, and this all terminology is directly related to our email, that is electronic mail. You know very well that mails, that means sending messages, text messages to one of your friend, your family member, your colleague, anyone. Okay, so whenever we send a mail electronically to someone else, it is called email. Okay, I hope you understand the simplest meaning, that whenever we are sending mail with the help of the internet and via electronically, that is known as emails. Okay, now here a short description regarding the email, that is email, short for electronic mail, is one of the most widely used features of the internet. Along with the fact, it allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. My dear student, it means that wherever you require to send messages electronically, then you need only and only your own identity over internet, that is known as email address. Okay, just like in real world, we all are having our address. Our address is our identity, but at the same address, your whole family is living there. That means your fathers, your mothers, your brothers, sister, grandparents, they all are having the same address. But over the internet, whenever we make our unique identity, then email giving us a name that is known as email address, and it should be unique. Maybe with some rules, with some terms, like we can add a particular name, number, our father's name, our date of birth, our contact number, whatever some new words we should add with our email name, so it will be unique. Okay, so internet giving us a unique identity in whole world, it is called email address. Within this chapter, I will explain you that how to create our account, then how to do all the formalities there, like the password protection and so on, and after that when how we are able to do work in any of the app. Okay, so now today's class is basically depend on the meaning of the email. Now this part is from your book. Okay, now we relate our topic with your book, that email is an electronic network service that allows two or more users to communicate with one another. It means the minimum condition here, 2 users, and the maximum, that is endless. Okay, that means you can send emails to many of the persons. Same email you can send many of the people, but the transaction of the text messages via mails is known as electronic mails. Okay, so these are the basic concept regarding our email. With the help of the email, you can share lots of things like the text, images, audios, videos, whatever you want to attach, you can attach with your mail and you can share it with your friends and anyone else. But the first thing, that when this electronic mail started, this electronic mail started in the 1970s when an engineer, Ray Tomlinson, introduced ARPANET to leave messages for other. Okay, ARPANET is a net agency, American net agency, which first introduced the networking, and they introduced email also for sending and receiving messages. Okay, that is the history and the basic concept regarding the emails. Now, whatever the advantages and the parts of email, how to create, to send, all that thing we will discuss next week in the computer classroom.